Oh,
You
lost it.
Stuff.
That one's not coming back. What's going on, Fire Fam? Welcome back. We are rolling like I don't know that song. Anyway, coffee's nice and hot this morning. A little lonely out here, not gonna lie. Me and the turtle and the hedgehog. Fun fact, Mom decided to get those back in the day, and they're kind of cute, but there it is. On the other side of me, I see some lizard poop and some more lizard poop. What do you notice that's missing? I'm gonna go with patio furniture. Ding, 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 ding. It's gone, man. Came by yesterday. They took it away. To be honest, we didn't really sit on it. It was more of the look of the patio furniture. So the days keep going by. The furniture keeps disappearing. We are down to single digits until departure from our humble abode. Whoo, man. I don't know. Big update today. The long lost stepson is returning home to see his mom and I, and it's been a few years, not gonna lie. We got our stepson Jaheim went off to the military in North Carolina, and he is returning home today don't ask me what time, because quite frankly I don't know, and I think I'm the one that's supposed to pick him up, and I'm not sure what time he's arriving. So that sounds like him, waiting to figure out all the logistics of transportation until he actually arrives and says, "I'm here, come get me." But either way, glad he's going to be back, and I'm go pick him up later today. Introduce you guys to Mr. Jaheim. He's a character. Yes, don't let that shy demeanor fool you. But we're going to hang out today. And special Amazon package arrived today. Excited to unbox it. Got a little something special for a feather. Ha! Try that again. Got a little something special for a fellow YouTuber, Zen, and I have been communicating and looking forward to trying out the device that we decided that she would definitely appreciate and use to help her videos. So I'm gonna open that one up today and see if it works or not. That'll be fun. Other than that, man, just enjoying the cloudy skies of cool breeze and hot coffee. Hope you guys are doing great. Thanks for joining us on an adventure. Let's do it. Some more puzzles, yes. Anyway, while Sonia's helping herself to breakfast,
This is not breakfast yet. I'm just eating some cereal and.
Oh, sorry, first breakfast. Yes, there'll be more, I'm sure. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get this thing figured out. I always like when they ship something and it has this hazardous battery concern box on it. Contains.
Yeah, because I thought it was what in the
for
box.
Emergencies. You thought there was batteries in there?
Yeah.
Well, it probably is, some sort of. All right, Amazon, love you, do, but sometimes your boxes are a little bigger than your britches. All right. So we have, behold, the wireless lavalier microphone. Supposed to work with iPhones, iPads, Samsungs, LGs, Googles, PCs, microphones. So we're gonna test this one out today and see how it goes. And don't worry, not only do we get one for ourselves, but we got one for Zen. So coming your way soon. When we meet up in Jamaica, well, we're gonna test one out to make sure it works before we get there. So, you ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, that was like Chris Angel, Mind's Freak type of, are you ready? You gonna eat the whole time, dear? I can't wait to hear how that sounds with the microphone. My wife eating, cue the music. All right. Hardest part is figuring out how to
open the box.
Open it without destroying.
Maybe I draw this one.
Here, pull. Ah, look at you. That was it? Oh. All right. Comes in a nice box, not gonna lie. Little foam padding thing.
Are we done by now? We're running out of space.
Look how big these things are. You think they're not gonna fit? Well, based on what you gotta pack, maybe.
We're running out of space, man. You gotta stop buying stuff.
I'm done. This is not for me.
You know, but...
Well, this one's for us. That's why there's two microphones. Great, they put the directions way on the inside. All right, user manual. There we go. You got your bifocals, dear? You're gonna need them.
These are the same thing.
Yeah, but these pair with your phone, not that type of.
So you can use it with your phone.
That's the point. That's what we're gonna try out. So.
Can't see if you're with my phone on yours.
Exactly, because you have an iPhone and I have an Android. So, cool. Oh, and I don't even have to take off my phone case. That's nice. I guess I should have read the directions, huh?
Exactly.
Plug the receiver to your phone. Ha! Got it. Okay. If the port of your device is press and hold the power switch to the microphone for about 1 second. Turn it on. It'll last about 3 seconds to turn it off. All right. Power switch. Oh, it's on the back. Ooh, it comes charged. Cool.
But that, so this is one more?
If the green light of the microphone and the red of the transmitter. Oh, red transmitter. Oh, yeah. Then open the phone camera live app or other apps to start recording. Huh. All right, let's try the camera. Video. Okay, settings.
So you have to attach the device to your phone?
Yeah, this is your receiver, your microphone receiver.
I'm saying if you have to go in your settings to get it to...
Okay, take one. I don't know where the red light's supposed to be on this, but we're gonna try recording and see what happens. It says recording audio through the USB mic. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, how are you? Eating your cornflakes?
I'm good.
What? You gotta tell me the microphone.
I said I'm fine. I don't want soggy cornflakes, so I'm trying to eat the cornflakes as fast as I can so they don't get too soft.
You hear that? Soft, soggy cornflakes coming to a Sonia near you. So let's see if that happened, if that worked. But it did say it was recording through the mic, so I think we might be good with that. We might be good. See what I did there?
No, we might be good. We might be good.
We'll play it back, see what happens. You get mic'd up to the phone now. Alright.
And get mic'd up to your phone, right?
Yeah, so now we're gonna try it. Whoa. Seemed like a good idea at the time. Okay, so now it's got the two microphones. And we're gonna hit record one more time, and I'm gonna go away. And then you're gonna talk, and I'm gonna talk, and we'll try the microphone video. Play recording the audio through the USB mic. Say something, dear. Tell them all about your world views and life in general.
Hello, hi guys, how are you doing out there? I hope you have a wonderful day. So Friday is our daughter graduation, yay! Last one out of school. So you go. Last one out of school. Our last one.
The last one. We did it.
Yeah.
She's graduating soon. And hopefully the microphone caught that amazing news. Let's try it. Okay, so it turns out pretty easy. Not gonna lie, didn't have to do anything besides plug it into the phone, turn it on, attach it to the collar, and then away you go. Now I have an Android device or a Samsung, so in the event that you have an iPhone, there's another pack. What? What's in here? It's a USB adapter. Oh! Lost it. That one's not coming back. Ah, here we go. This is what we were looking for.
You find it?
No. It'll come back. iPhone adapter. So, sweet.
It's on your foot by the chair.
Oh, and even got some little mice covers in case you got some winds that you need to, handle. But super excited to get to have that for the phone for all of the travels when you don't want to be that guy carrying a camera around everywhere. And also, more importantly, Shenzhen Zen. Gonna get this out to you as soon as we meet up. Looking forward to seeing you in Jamaica and getting this to you to help you with your videos as you requested. So cool. Enjoy this. We'll enjoy this. She enjoyed her soggy cereal.
No, my soggy cereal is done. Thank you. Thumbs up. Anyway, Shenzhen Zen was talking a story yesterday. It was touching. It was
Mother's one?
yeah.
Yeah, if you guys want to get a good story and check out her Mother's Day story, it's pretty fantastic. What's next? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming to you live from the kitchen. My wife Sonia here. Honey?
Hello.
Want to say hi?
Hello.
She's got the microphone on, I've got the microphone on, but that's not what's important right now. What's important right now is we recognize what someone has found the incredible use of saran wrap, plastic wrap. Let's check this out.
I'm just wrapping stuff. I don't know if they're wrap good or not, but they keep them in place so they don't move around.
Yeah.
Never pack stuff to move. I don't know where.
Never pack stuff to move. Ever. We've never moved before in our life.
I move, but not from far, like from up the road to down the road.
Right.
That's it. But no, you're moving from here to Jamaica, but so it's like you're traveling farther than where you're currently moving from. So it's kind of like difficult. So you gotta know what you're doing. Or what the pasta stuff don't get break.
Yeah. But the best part is, with the microphone, she can run the sink water all she wants, and you can still hear her, right?
That's true. There. I don't know.
So, just in case, we need an infomercial for plastic wrap. If anybody needs a spokesperson.
I'm not really a spokesperson. I'm just saying, I'm just trying out stuff to see if it really works.
How's it going so far?
For it to stay in place, because I have two of these, so now they are in place. I don't know. It's not even wrap good, but whatever.
And the bowls, and now what? Tinfoil? What are we baking, dear? What is it?
No, I wrap these ones in tinfoil because they have like a boring stuff underneath the bottom, but I don't know.
Okay.
The bowls are.
They're bowled over.
Yeah.
Doing great, dear. We're gonna get all wrapped up here and move on. Hi.
Yeah, we gotta clean up the house. We gotta do something to do.
All right. Yeah, you see that? That's what happens when you take down a big paint picture frame that you've had up there for 4 years. And then even more fun is that you forget that you needed to patch those holes and you already threw away the putty. Oh well, we'll figure that out. Hoi! In other news, our wall of destiny is growing. While I am helping out the wall of destiny, my wife, honey, what you doing?
Trying to fix these stuff to put so they can run anything.
Yeah, she's playing a fun game of, I'm not going to talk loud enough for you to hear me because I don't have a microphone. And also...
Yeah, I'm just doing this to see if I can get it fit in my suitcase to bring with me. I need to bring my I sell the bigger one, so I need to bring this small.
Yeah, we need a mixer. And she's going through the kitchen like it's going out of style.
Well, the grocery kitchen already is just that. I have some other stuff that I need to get rid of. So.
Yes, we know. And she's working hard.
Not really.
But our wall of destiny is growing. We've just posted all of these items up on the wall of destiny, and most of which are going to be already set to pick up today. We're giving away just about all of them. Oh, did you hear that ding? I know I did. Somebody must be interested in another item, but wall of destiny, do your trick and make these items disappear. I forgot my magic wand. To be continued. Okay, I got to take a moment right now before we continue the packing crusades and talk about this item. This one right here. Now, what you see is not always what you get. This actually came from Grandma's room. And rather than, pass it on, we decided let's keep a little trinket. But, yes, it looks like a little dinky hammer. However, if you look a little deeper, further inspection, you'll see it is not just a hammer. It is also I'm going to call this a screwdriver, a regular screwdriver. Yeah. But wait, it is not just a regular screwdriver. If we look a little closer upon inspection, regular screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. So it's a hammer, regular screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. But wait, upon further inspection, just found this out today, it's also a littler screwdriver. So, hammer, regular screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a littler screwdriver, but wait, just found this out today. There's more. Inside of that regular screwdriver is a super small little screwdriver. Phillips size, of course. Man, 1, 2, 3. I don't know how that one works. 4. 4 different screwdrivers in one entity. It's like one of those Russian dolls that just keeps getting smaller and smaller. So, didn't even know this. We had this for the longest time and thought it was only a couple of screwdrivers, but it turns out it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 screwdrivers in one, and now I can't even get back together again. Oh no. Oh, gotta screw that in first. 1, 2. Yes. No. What did I do? I ruined it. So on. I was doing so good. Oh, whoa. That's why. Just goes right in like that. 1, 2, 3, and now you have your hammer. And now you know. Okay, it's that favorite time of the day where we take the suitcase and we find out whether or not it's going to meet weight restrictions, honey. Can you hold the camera, please?
Maybe it's lighter than, maybe it's like 35 one.
35? I'm gonna go 38.
Or 40.
Survey says
40.
50 pounds.
That thing not working properly look like.
47. 47.
Still working.
Yes. 47.
Well, I gotta take some tomato suitcase already.
We get 50 points. We'll call it a success. Okay. Second one, kind of tentatively packed. Wasn't pretty, but camera holder. I need you, dear. That's right.
Oh, pot cover them na ganyan. Oh, pot cover na ganyan.
Did you say a prayer or something?
Oh Lord, let there be strength. Let there be 50 pound. 55 pound.
49.
Okay, then I'll
50 pounds.
Yep.
Double check for accuracy.
That's good. 50 pound. That's
Woo!
good. We gotta
So
find
what happened to your
somewhere.
5? We've talked about this.
Crap.
That was a bit aggressive.
Yes, because
Wow. Thanks, dear. You did it. Hi. All right, man. It wasn't pretty. It wasn't easy, but I think we have our 6 checked luggages tentatively packed. We have to do some sorting of things to get whether or not these extra items, as we'll call them, will get with us. But, honey, you did great. I will pretend not to see all of these shoes that you've never worn. We will figure it out. I'm gonna go and tackle the rest of the day. Woo! Progress. Okay, this is the last of our peace and quiet. Off to find Jaim at the airport. Honey, any last words?
no, they make you safe and sound and they're okay. That's all.
Yeah.
I
Looking for Jaim. I think they said baggage claim B. Okay, honey, say goodbye to your peace and quiet.
I know, goodbye.
It's gonna be interesting, and there he is. Gonna enjoy our peace and quiet while we had it. Good luck, we'll see you on the other side.
Okay, my cornflakes is getting soggy, so I gotta eat it.
Yeah, while she gets soggy cornflakes, we're gonna try. Stay tuned. Please enjoy the hold music while we research how to work this thing. We'll be back.